Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this Tuesday afternoon from where else? The balcony at the NYSC, and the holiday weekend. Sadly, it's over. We're back to work here at the New York Stock Exchange, and get ready, guys, because it's about that time. The markets, they're about to close right behind me. It's a Tuesday afternoon, and despite a weekend full of beer and barbecue, there's always room for more beverages, right? So lift up your drink. Cheers, because that's right, another happy hour in New York City. U.S. stocks trading lower this Tuesday afternoon as investors continue to eye renewed strength in the U.S. dollar and mixed economic reports. We first begin on the economic front. Before the bell, durable goods for April showing a decline of 0.5%, in line with expectations. Futures holding lower after that report. But a lot of reports today was about housing, which for the most part showed improvement. New home sales for April showing an increase of 6.8% to a seasonally adjusted annual rate of 517,000. The S&P Case-Shiller Composite Index of 20 metro areas rising 5% in March on a year-over-year basis. And there was more data. Again, the Conference Board's Consumer Confidence Report coming in at 95.4 in May. That's above the revised April read of 94.3. But not all of the figures were positive, as PMI, Purchasing Managers Index for the services sector, that fell for a third straight month in May to 56.4 from April's final read of 57.4. Meanwhile, the U.S. dollar continuing to strengthen, up more than 1% on the day against the euro. Crude oil futures for July delivery falling about $1.50 to 58.21 a barrel over at the New York Mercantile Exchange, and gold futures down $15.50 to $1188.50 a troy ounce. And when you combine all of that, you have yourself a session where right behind me, 5 stocks, they decline for every advancer. That's right, at the New York Stock Exchange. Let's take a look now to see how the markets have shaped up to close out this, the first trading session of the week. And on the corporate front, the U.S. Supreme Court ruling against Cisco Systems in a $64 million patent infringement verdict the company is fighting. This according to reports from Reuters. And if you want more corporate news, check out the earlier Market Movers report for even more. And with that stated, we're going to conclude on this. Tonight, Game 6, New York Rangers versus Tampa Bay in Florida. Fingers crossed for the New York City team. Let's have another Game 7. They're the best. And hey, they could pull it off. But will they? We'll find out later on tonight. From ModernWallStreet.com, saying I'm James Sweeney. I'll see you in the morning.